Hello friends, my name is Vineet. I am from UP. Today I am going to tell you a story. The gentle snake. Once upon a time there was a saint. He often visited village and towns to teach good things to people. One day, saint was returning through a village. Saint was returning through a village. And one villager said there are two routes. One is short route and one is long route. You go to long route. On the short route, a snake lives that hiss and bite people. So the sentry said, the snake wouldn't bite me. I will go on the short route. Then the saint followed the short route. It was not long. It soon he came to a snake. The snake hissed at the saint and raising his enormous hood in the air and said, you white peoples and you cause harm to them. You cause harm to them. You wouldn't do. You shouldn't do like this. I'm crazy. I am angry when the people started going from here. You say to yourself, I wouldn't fight people. So that can help you. You will not fight peoples. Then the villager followed the saint secretly. He followed him because the snake would bite him or not. The word spread in the whole village that the snakes won't bite people from now on. And then they started to walk from the short route and play cricket, and they grazed their cows on the short route. They noticed that the people are the snake is not causing harm to people, so they threw stones and pebbles on the snake and they can cause injuries. They caught many injuries to snake. Then one day a saint came to the short route and seized the snake was sad. Then he asked, what is the matter, snake? Then he told the whole story. Then he said, then the saint said, oh, so you hiss and make the village boy fear. So after some time, the village boy throw the stones on the snake and the snake his and the snake wouldn't bite him. That's for all today. Bye. Meet you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe.
Please like this channel.